Hi everyone, having trouble with Frontier Internet, slow speed, no services, or common issues? Let's fix it quickly with this guide. Why Frontier Internet issue occur? Severe weather conditions, equipment malfunctions, network congestion, service outages, or maintenance, Wi Fi signal interference. Fix 1. Check for outages. To check the service outage, you need to add your phone number to Frontier app. They will send a text message whenever the outage occur. Sign into the My Frontier app and select More from the bottom navigation menu, then My Account. Under Contact Information, select Phone Number. Tap Edit, then add new number and add your mobile phone number. Select Next to validate your number with the security code. Select Done when verification is complete. Method 2. Add your number in your Frontier account. Sign into your account and visit My Profile. Under Contact Information, select the pencil icon, then add phone number. Add your phone number and check this is a mobile number. Click Verify to validate your number with a security code. Select Done when verification is complete. Fix 2. Check your payment. Ensure your account is up to date on payment and there is a no pending payments. Sign into your account and go to billing section. Check for any pending payments and follow prompts to pay the bill. Fix 3. Restart your device. Restarting the device clears out temporary glitches and resolve internet problems. Unplug the power cord from power source and wait for 12 seconds. Again, reconnect to the power source and power on the router. Device restart. Restart your computer, smartphone, or a tablet to refresh the network connection. On Windows, open Command Prompt and type shutdown or R. Android, press and hold the power button, then select restart or reboot. On iOS, press and hold the side button and either volume button until the slider appears, then drag the slider to turn off and press the side button again to turn it back on. Fix 4. Check connection. Verify that all cables are securely connected to your modem, router, and wall outlet. If using Ethernet cable, ensure they are not damaged. You can also replace with alternative cables and check the connection again. Fix 5. Connect using Ethernet cable. If you are using Wi Fi, try connecting your laptop or a PC directly to the router. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into an available Ethernet port on the router. Connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to the Ethernet port on your computer or device. If it works fine, you need to reconnect your device to the Wi Fi signal. Fix 6. Remove and reconnect to the Wi Fi. There might be an issue with the device as it is unable to fetch the Wi Fi signal. This error usually occurs if a device has been connected to the Wi Fi network for more than 2 to 3 days. On iOS, go to Settings, then Wi Fi, tap the eye icon next to the network and select Forget this network. On Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet. Wi Fi, long press the network name and choose Forget. For Windows, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then go to Wi Fi, manage known networks, select the network and click Forget. On Mac, go to System Preferences, then Network, then go to Wi Fi, click Advanced, select the network and click the button to remove it. After forgetting the network, reconnect by selecting it from the available networks list and entering the password if prompted. Fix 7. Contact Frontier Support. To contact support for internet issues, you can visit their official website at Frontier Customer Service for assistance. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Scroll down and click Chat Now to connect with support. They provide help for various services, including internet connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.